In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Outlook calendar to Notion. With this integration, you can streamline your workflow and keep your schedules all in one place. Let's dive right in and get started on linking these two powerful tools. First, we'll navigate to the Outlook website and log into your account. Once you've logged in successfully, look for the settings icon, which is often depicted as a gear symbol in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, click on the calendar option, which will bring up various calendar settings. Next, you'll see an option for shared calendars. Clicking on this will lead you to a section where you can manage how your calendar is shared. Here, you need to select a calendar that you wish to connect. Most likely, this will be your default calendar labeled simply as Calendar. Click on that option. After selecting your calendar, you'll find an option titled Select Permissions. This setting allows you to choose how much access you want to grant. In this context, it's crucial because you'll need to share viewing rights for the calendar. Choose the appropriate permissions level that you're comfortable with, then click on it. Once you've set up permissions, the next important step is to publish your calendar. You'll find a Publish button within the same section. This makes your calendar accessible by creating a shareable link. After publishing, click on the HTML option. You'll notice that this generates a link that you can copy. Make sure to click Copy Link, and then, for extra measure, just click Copy to ensure it's saved to your clipboard. With this link ready to go, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want your calendar to appear. There's a simple command you can use in Notion to embed your content, which is typing out / followed by the word embed. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to click on the Embed option that appears. In the new window that pops up, paste the link you copied from Outlook. Make sure to double check that it looks correct after pasting it in the provided field. Then all you need to do is click on Embed Link and voila! Your Outlook calendar should now appear on your Notion page, updated and ready to use, and that's how you connect your Outlook calendar to Notion. This process not only keeps your information centralized, but also can save time managing events across multiple platforms. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and you're now all set to enjoy the convenience of having your calendar information synced right in Notion. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own.